The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Roanoke County, the city of Salem, northeastern Floyd County in southwestern Virginia, the city of Roanoke, northwestern Bedford County, southern Botitor County, northwestern Franklin County, southeastern Montgomery County, and southwestern Virginia until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Salem to near Terry's Fork, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roanoke, Salem, Christiansburg, Vinton, and Troutdale. This includes the following locations: the Salem Fairgrounds and Roanoke Regional Airport,